What's the difference between 60 and 120 FPS? Let me demonstrate it to you. FPS means frame per second. In a normal film, there are 24 frames per second. In online video making, this value is often 30, and the smoother the video has to be, the more it needs to be slowed down, the higher this value should get. Playing this many still images in 1 second is how the brain is fooled into seeing a moving image, a motion picture. Now, 60 is already a pretty high value. Here is what it looks like. For video making and even filmmaking, it's a perfect value if it's not something crazy that needs to be slowed down. In my dictionary, real slow motion begins at 100-120 FPS, although it is still nothing compared to 1000 or 2000 that literally makes it possible to see a bullet being fired. Okay, so we have this clip here that has 60 FPS, and you can see that it's very smooth, and if I wanted to slow it down, I could very easily do so. But I'd like to demonstrate the difference between 60 and 120 on this particular video, and the tool I'm gonna use is the frame interpolation feature in the video enhancer tool of the UniConverter 16. To download the UniConverter, which is a multimedia toolbox, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and then follow the instructions. When you have it, open it up. The AI video enhancer tool is within the video section. Click on it. This is the interface of the tool. First of all, let's import our clip. On the right side, you can see the functions of the video enhancer. We're gonna use the frame interpolation feature here. So click on it. For this function, there is an extra setting for the smoothness. In other words, for the value that the original frame rate will be multiplied by. I'll choose 2 times. Next, I'll choose an output folder. And finally, click on the export button. In this next window, you can see the progress. Alright, now let's take a look at it. You can already see that it's even smoother than the 60 FPS version, but let's do a test. I'm gonna give both of them a 25% time remapping, which means that it has to be 4 times slower than the original. In theory, the 60 FPS one should give me about 15 frames per second, which still results in a fairly smooth motion, but the 121 should play at a 30 FPS, resulting in a super smooth motion, even 1/4 of the original speed. So that is the difference. You're seeing it for yourself. I hope this video was helpful, and if next time you have to shoot something in slow-mo, you'll know what to choose. But that is it for this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video.